Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Temu customer support. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, so on your phone, go ahead and open up any web browser and head over to Google and then type in Temu and then click on the first result that comes up from temu.com, and then from here click onto your profile icon and then click on customer support. And now it might ask you to sign in, so go ahead and sign in. And now once you've logged in, scroll down and then click on contact us. And now here, click on the box below and then type in your problem or issues you have, and then Temu will get back to you in a few hours up to a day. So yeah, that's it guys, how to contact Temu customer support. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.